10 years from now, you might still be exhausted. Still working long hours, chasing bigger paychecks, yet feeling poorer. Here's the shocking truth. Over 60% of high earners still live paycheck to paycheck. Because comfort isn't about how much you earn. It's about how you manage what you have. If you learn this now, you'll enjoy freedom most people never taste. Society tells you to climb the income ladder. More money equals more comfort, at least that's the myth. But millions are proving that wrong every day. They earn modest incomes, yet live richer lives. The difference? They've mastered the art of living well without chasing endless pay raises. Section 1. Understanding true comfort. Comfort isn't luxury cars or giant houses. It's waking up without money stress. It's having time for family, hobbies, and rest. It's knowing one unexpected bill won't break you. True comfort is control, not constant upgrading. Section 2. Why high income isn't the solution. Research shows many six-figure earners are broke. They spend more as they earn more. The earn more, spend more cycle never ends. And it robs them of financial peace. High income without control equals high stress. Section 3. Build a low-stress lifestyle. Step 1. Lower your fixed expenses. Housing, transport, and food eat most budgets. Cut these costs and comfort grows instantly. A smaller home with lower bills feels freer. A used car saves thousands without lowering happiness. Section 4. Mastering budget-friendly enjoyment. You don't need expensive hobbies for joy. Learn the art of affordable pleasures. Nature walks, home cooking, community events, DIY projects. Low-cost fun often brings deeper satisfaction. It's about moments, not money spent. Section 5. Prioritizing savings over earnings. Saving 30% of 40K beats saving 5% of 100K. Why? The saver has control and options. Comfort comes from a growing safety net. An emergency fund removes constant fear. Savings give you time to breathe. Section 6. Simplifying life to reduce costs. Minimalism isn't deprivation, it's liberation. Fewer things mean fewer expenses and less stress. Declutter, cancel unused subscriptions, cut digital noise. You'll discover more mental and financial space. Section 7. Designing work. Around life. Most people design life around work. Flip it. Design work around life. Choose jobs that offer time flexibility. Remote work, part-time, or self-employment can reduce stress. Less income with more freedom often feels richer. Section 8. Building multiple small income streams. One big salary is fragile. Multiple smaller incomes are stable. Side hustles, passive investments, and freelance work can create security without burnout. Even $200 extra monthly adds comfort. Section 9. Ignoring social pressure. Comparison kills comfort. Stop measuring your life by others' lifestyles. Social media sells illusions, not reality. Real comfort is private peace, not public approval. Section 10. Defining enough. Comfort comes when you decide what's enough. Without that, no income will satisfy you. Know your needs, meet them, then protect them. Enough is the richest feeling in the world. What next? Living comfortably without a high income is possible. It's about choices, not chasing bigger paychecks. Cut expenses, save aggressively, ignore social pressure. Build the life you actually want now. Start today, because comfort delayed is comfort denied. If this video opened your eyes, share it. Help others escape the income chase trap.